Can you do it? I know, now you're looking at yourself. You can do it. Yay! Oh, good job, buddy. You want to try it again? You want to try it again? Okay. That's harder to hold on to than Mama's hands. Here, try to hold on to Mama's hands. Good job, mister. Look at you. Good job.